The valley was deep and the climb was steep, but we've got a promise that we're gonna keep. Looking for a mountain that we can call home, building a kingdom from a single stone. Dust off the doubt, throw the worries away. We're walking in the light of a brand new day. I can feel the lift, I can see the view. Everything is changing for me and you. We're leaving the shadows, we're finding the sun. The race to the top has already begun. We're moving to higher ground. Look at the vision that we found. Lifting each other, reaching for more than anything we ever reached for before. Higher ground. Yeah, we're rising up. It's not just a place, it's a state of mind. Leaving the average far behind. A culture of excellence, a spirit of grace. Setting the standard and leading the pace. One hand up and one hand out. That's what this journey is all about. When you need the map to the summit peak, and you're looking for the wisdom that you seek, Calvyn Lee is the voice, the spark, and the guide.